we don't find those snacks we took from the snack cupboard, we will be in so much trouble. Dad will be so sad. What are we going to do? We have to do something, Bingo. Oh no. It's time for Fizzy's Diss Drop Game. Welcome to the Fizzy Show. Okay, kids, no snacks until the birthday party later. We have lots of guests coming. Okay. Don't worry, Dad. I'll keep an eye on her. Good job, Bluey. I'll see you later. Oh, I think my tummy is talking to me. You're hungry. That's why. So, my tummy is asking me for a snack. Yummy. Oh no! We have no snacks for later. We ate them all. But the guests can't just eat air. Definitely not. We need to get the food back. Dad is gonna be so upset. I've got it. Let's call our friends for help. Fizzy! Phoebe! We need you!
Would you like to play our game?
Yeah, all right.
Fizzy, Fizzy, go Fizzy Pop! Do you think this will work, Fizzy? Definitely. Awesome sauce! It's time to drop that disc! Alright, it's landed on red! Now we need to open the box! But first, we need a hand from Miss Hands. Oh, Miss Hands!
Hey everyone, how can I help?
Could you save the day and open these boxes? Pretty please?
Of course, Fizzy.
Alright!
Alright, let's see what's inside this red box. Ooh, oh dear. That doesn't look very nice. Ugh, that looks yucky.
Don't worry, I'm on it. Miss Hands,
Yes, Fizzy?
could you get the food out of the slime?
No problem, Fizzy. Ooh, look at that bright orange slime. Ooh. Awesome! One red yummy strawberry. Delicious.
Awesome sauce! It's landed on orange!
Ooh, what is it? It's a watermelon. Yummy. It's blue, like me. All right. Ooh, so slimy. It's a yummy cookie. My favorite. I know this one. This one's black. That's right, Bluey. Ooh, what could it be? Let's get that yucky blue slime off. It's a cupcake. My favorite.
Ooh, yellow like the sun!
That's right, Phoebe. Let's take a look. Get this green slime off. Ooh, look how stretchy it is. Delicious purple grapes.
Ooh, I hope it lands on green! Awesome sauce! It's green! Like the grass!
That's right. Let's take a look. Ugh, blue slime. Ooh, so stretchy. Ooh, slimy. Pizza! Yummy! Yay! We did it as a team! Yay! Thanks for your help, Fizzy and Phoebe.
You're welcome. We're always happy to help.
Yay! Oh, I think Bingo is quite excited.
It was so fun playing Dish Drop together.
Oh, if only we had music. I'd have a dance party. Yay! A dance party! Yay! Alright! Woohoo! Alright! That's Dad! He's back! Quick! Fizzy and Phoebe, hide! Alright, another dance party? What have I missed? Oh, nothing! Really? Yep, nothing fun at all. Alrighty then, it's time to put our party hits on.
Thanks for watching. I hope you all have a fizzy, fantastic day. We will see you next time.